Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make this easy daisy flower. For this you will need scissors, pencil, 4 colored sheets and glue. To start off with, take the sheet and fold it in a triangle shape 3 times as shown. And do the same to the rest of the sheets as well. Now draw a half round on the sheet and cut along the lines. Now make very small and close cuts as shown. Now once you've done with all the other 4 sheets, take the sheet one by one and cut one triangle from one sheet, 2 triangles from the second sheet, and 3 triangles from the third and 4 triangles from the fourth as shown. Now take all the pieces and with the help of a pencil or a paintbrush, just give a curve to the ends of these petals. Next step is to take the sheet and glue the ends in a cone shape. Once you're done, glue the cones together starting from the smallest till the biggest cone. Now place the flower wire in the center of the cone and your flower daisy is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try and let me know your feedback and comment. Also click the subscribe button to be updated with my latest video. Thank you for watching.